This 2024 Thor Motor Coach Freedom Elite 19R is a Class B RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 19 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 2, external shower, air conditioning, LP detector, spare tire kit, microwave, awning, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, smoke detector, refrigerator, and 22 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2024 Thor Motor Coach Freedom Elite 19R is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.